Welcome back to Software Wizardry. Today I'll show you how to create a Top 10 Most Famous Tourist Destinations short video quickly using VideoGen AI. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and go to the link in the description. Next, click on Get Started. It's free. Then, click on Continue with Google to create an account. Step 2. Create a video with AI. Start by clicking on Generate a Video. Next, click on Describe your script in a few words or sentences and enter the keywords for your video. For example, Top 10 Most Famous Tourist Destinations. Then, click Continue. In the Video Duration section, choose the desired length for your video. Next, click on Generate Video Script. You can edit the script in the Script section. Click on Resize and choose the 9:16 aspect ratio for a short video. If you want to add music to your video, go to the Music section and choose a track or upload music from your computer. Then select the voiceover in the Voice section, choosing either a male or female voice. Next, go to Caption to choose the text style. Finally, to create the video, click on Generate Video. To download the video, click on Download Video and choose the quality option you prefer, 2K, 4K, and that's it. You've successfully created a Top 10 Most Famous Tourist Destinations short video using VideoGen AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Software Wizardry for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.